The audience of the grievance is very different than financial or membership and dues. So we're trying to streamline and computerize the grievance process.
The reason why I think it is great for any union is it starts from the stewards to the committeemen all the way up to the president and can go further on to that.
So we've created the Grievance Package to allow you to tailor it to your specific needs.
We can customize your reports. So once you enter all of the information, I know some of your folks may be familiar with the grievances reports that you currently have. We can take those reports and we can get them customized so they'll look just like the reports that you currently use, but they're going to be all nice and printed and clear for everyone to read.
We provided security tools so you can have different levels of views and different levels of security, and to be able to handle different units. We have some locals, they have many units, and even within them you can share information between units, or you can keep them identified just within the single unit.
You'll have the ability to keep it housed in a safe environment where your president has the ability to view that information at his home or at the local hall, and they can print up reports right before they're about ready to go into a grievance meeting. It'll be right there for them.
The goal of grievance is to better prepare the local when they sit down to grieve a situation with the company. The company has computers and all kinds of information, and when they come to the table, they're prepared. A lot of times the local unions are not, or don't have the time to prepare near to the level that the companies can.
You have the ability to filter on this software, so you can actually ask the software, how many grievances have we won regarding Article 5 in the last year. So you have the ability to filter that information, versus if you ever tried to do that with just old-fashioned paperwork, it would take you days, if not weeks.
Why RCS Union Software for your grievance needs? We actually sat down with people at the unions that go through the grievance process and understand where the issues are and what we can do to streamline the process and to make their lives easier, but more importantly, to better represent that member. So we understand it from the union side of things, just as we've done with all of our other applications and have proven that today. So our process will mimic what you have in place today, but make it more efficient, more timely, and make you better prepared against the company. If you have an interest in purchasing the Grievance software, the next step would be to possibly request a demo. And if you're an existing RCS Union software user, we could actually turn the switch on and allow you to kind of play around with the application and get a feel for what it can offer.
Contact us to learn more. We can't wait to help. Visit us online at rcsunionsoftware.com or call us at 866-727-8291.